Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. A modern outdoor kitchen may well correspond to the modern style of your home. This space should be not only functional and convenient, but also visually attractive. Moreover, it can be intended not only for cooking, but as a place where the whole family will be happy to gather for lunch or dinner, as well as for guest entertaining. This means that you need to plan a dining area and maybe a lunch area. When planning your outdoor kitchen, you have several options. The most common design styles are a kitchen island, a U-shaped island, and an L-shaped layout. You can equip the island with anything that is convenient and will suit your needs. It could be a gas grill, a sink, and a small cooktop. A U-shaped kitchen layout offers more space for a grill, a sink, some storage space, and more workspace. Due to its compact shape, it is also ideal for a small backyard. The design allows you to entertain your guests while you cook. L-shaped kitchen units for outdoors are usually larger and offer a lot more space for food preparation. Whether you will trust professional designers and contractors or will choose a DIY project, an open-air kitchen is a great investment which will add value to your home. First of all, a kitchen in the backyard as well as the main one in the house is intended for cooking. The general layout of a modern outdoor kitchen, which its functional areas as a whole repeats the layout of the home kitchen. You need a food storage area, a sink, cooking and serving area. In addition to the dining and working areas, it also includes a relaxation area. An outdoor kitchen is a cooking space outside. It's more than a solitary grill. It requires additional elements that a kitchen has, such as counter space, refrigerator, cabinetry, etc. In some cases, the difference between a grill and outdoor kitchen is blurred because some grills are mini kitchens into themselves. There are many options for an outdoor kitchen. Here are some basic decisions you must make. Patio kitchen, rear porch kitchen, deck kitchen, balcony kitchen. Another important element in my view is a dining area adjacent to the kitchen space. If you have just a grill and then you eat inside, it's not really an outdoor kitchen space. But when you add a dining area, you've created a full outdoor dining and kitchen space. An outdoor kitchen would be incomplete without dining area. There are exceptions such as small balconies, but otherwise, if you build a full outdoor kitchen, you should incorporate a dining table. This makes for full outdoor living space. I also love outdoor living rooms with patios, sectionals, and lounge chairs. Of course, having a kitchen, dining area, and living room area requires a huge patio space, which is not always possible. Good idea that your outdoor space be created in a similar style to the home exterior and interior. For instance, if you have a chalet-style home, continue the chalet design to the outdoor living space. Same with modern rustic cottage, craftsman, etc.